Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the now function in Power BI. Simple but powerful way to get current date and time directly in your reports. The now function returns the current date and time from your system clock. You can use it for dynamic calculations like days since order or time until deadline. So here I used the now functions and it returned date and time. You can use it for dynamic calculations like date since order or time until deadline. Here I have sample orders table with these columns: order ID, order date, sales amount, and region. Let's calculate how many days it's been since our last order. Created the new measure here, that is days since last order is equal to date difference max of order date now and date. Here, max of orders of order date finds the most recent date in the current filter context. Date difference calculates the number of days between that date and now, and the result it given is 1. Let's check in the Excel. Here, most recent order is this one, and the date difference is 1 because today is August 10th. Here August 9th is the last recent order, so it given the result as 1. It will dynamically update tomorrow the number of days, like it will increase by 1 day without you changing anything. If you only need today date without the time, use today. But if you need the exact time included in the calculations, stick to now. And that's how you use the now function in Power BI. Perfect for building real time KPIs and date based calculations. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Power BI tips.